All right, what's up, everyone? Yeah, another day of struggle, another red day for me. You see, we're still hanging around the 200 moving average on the daily, but the market was bouncing all over the place today. Um, really volatile. It was too volatile for my strategy because let's see. So go over here to my TS account. It's the biggest red day that I've had over here in this combine. But basically, long story short, what happened was I was right on the direction, but I just got stopped out with the volatility. Timing and everything was actually right. It's just the market was just way too volatile for where I had my stop, which usually I've never seen the as I built my strategy and managed it, or as I originally built my strategy and continue to improve on my strategy. I've never seen it, where I had an entry and then it pulls back to my stop, and before it goes in my direction, as much as maybe every once in a while, but not with the frequency that we're seeing right now. Also, what I'm starting to conclude is just like the last earnings seasons, this earnings season, it the market really, um, it's hard for me to trade during the earnings season, especially in the morning session. There's a lot of, it seems to be, the last one, and so far in this earnings season, there seems to be a lot of indecision before lunchtime, and then maybe during lunch or after lunch we get a steady trend or nothing at all. So yeah, it's just um, that's just how everything has been going, so far this month. And today, like, the market really didn't move much at all today during the morning session. Even I was watching crude oil as well, and being really aggressive, I could have took a trade. I could have had a play there on crude oil, but that would have been kind of breaking the rules of my strategy, which I don't want to do. And I paper traded one. I took one paper trade in it, and that one didn't work out just because of just how indecisive and how volatile the market. It wasn't really. It wasn't really. Um, that volatile at the time, um, especially for crude oil. As far as the price action is pretty normal, but it just the only play that I would have gotten today in crude would have been a loser. Uh, but that was only a paper trade as well. The only live trades I took today was with the S&P futures, and I kind of screwed myself over there because as I was from how I had things set up when I was back testing and practicing over the weekend, um, I forgot to. I kind of wanted to air one. I forgot to kind of reset things to how it should be. So, like, the first trade that I took or that I tried to take on S&P futures was it would have worked out, but the order rejected because it didn't. It was um, I had it would it I went in with too many contracts. And that's just because of how I forgot to reset it to the correct thing, which is good because if I didn't know that, then that could have been a if it would have let the trade go through, that would have been really bad because it would have been positioned too heavy. Even though it would have worked out, but there's always a chance that it's not going to work out. So, and I never recovered from that. So I took two small losses over there, but total losses for the day in this one, uh, for today, with both of these accounts is um, let's see, yeah, 750. So uh, okay, I'll spend the afternoon resetting and we'll get back fresh tomorrow, and hopefully we can maybe the volatility comes down a little bit, and we catch a an actual trend, and not this you know choppy, all over the place price action.